Hyderabad real estate market is moving fast, but a premium price tag doesn't always mean premium value. I'm Sadat, luxury and commercial consultant, and I'm here to cut through the marketing noise. Today I'm pulling back the curtain of a major new development to see if it is actually lives up to the hype. Make sure you stay with me until very end, where I will give my final honest verdict and the one insider detail that developers won't tell you. Now, if you value this kind of no filter analysis and want to see more transparency in our city's real estate, do me a quick favor, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me keep this deep diving coming. And if you have a friend or colleague currently scouting for property, share with them. It might just save them a very expensive mistake. Let us jump into my screen for the breakdown. Let us get into the X-Mind audit for Lodha Meridian. I have broken this down into 3 core pillars before we get to the final verdict. First, the location. We are not just in KPHB, we are at the gateway to the IT corridor. You are 1.4 kilometers from the high-tech city MMTS and literally minutes away from cyber towers. For a senior consultant or a tech lead, this is the Goldilocks zone. You are close to the office but tucked away from main Gachibowli noise. Plus, being walking distance to Nexus Mall hospitals means your social and health infrastructure is already 100% mature. The traffic strategy, the traffic bypass strategy. So we quickly jump into the second node, that is asset DNA, the Lodha reality. Now let us talk about the Lodha factor. This is not a new project. It is an established community. The reason it still commands a premium in 2026 is engineering. Unlike newer cramped projects, the Meridian layout offers 3-side open units. When you walk into the 15,000 square feet clubhouse, you can see the maintenance is still holding up, which is a testament to the brand's pedigree. So we just move on to the financial and ROI analysis. Looking at the numbers, we are seeing resale prices stabilize between 11,000 to 12,000 per square feet. But the real story is rental velocity. A 3 BHK here can fetch anywhere from 65,000 to 85,000. Because it is a branded gated community, your vacancy rate is practically zero. It's a cash flow machine for investor. Now, before I reveal my final verdict and the insider detail, remember, real estate is about making a strategic move on your financial chessboard. Whether this project fits your portfolio depends on your specific 5-year vision. If you want a tailored second opinion or a curated list of opportunities that match your profile, let us have a conversation. You can reach out to me directly via the link in the description for a private consultation. I don't just find properties, I provide. As I promised, we are going to look at what the brochure don't show you. Let us open the insider details. Here is the reality of living in a landmark density. We are looking at nearly 750 units in roughly 4.4 acres. That is a high unit to acre ratio. My insider tip, check the elevator to flat ratio. With only 2 passenger lifts per tower serving 35 floors, if you have a 9 AM meeting, you need to be out of your door by 8:45 AM. The peak hours bottleneck at the exit gate is a real factor you must consider if you value every minute of your morning. The maintenance nuisance. Residents report occasional water quality issues. Cleaning requires high-end in flat filtration. So here is the final verdict. If you are an investor looking for the safest rental yield in KPHB, or a family that wants the Lodha status with every amenity at your doorstep, In 2026, this remains a top tier asset. If you are looking for quiet luxury, if you want low density, wide open silent corridors and no lift queues, this high activity hub might not be for you. It's about matching the asset to your lifestyle. Before you head off, if you want to stay ahead of the Hyderabad market, I invite you to my private WhatsApp community. You will find the link in the description below. It's where I share real-time updates and market shifts and exclusive opportunities before they ever hit the public domain. I hope this review brought you the clarity you are looking for. Thank you for your time today. Make sure to stay tuned for the next deep dive. This is Sadat signing off. Invest with intent, and I will see you in the next one.